Hi all, welcome to Varak channel Bachelor's Kitchen. In this video I will show you how to prepare a pizza in home. In the simple recipe, what you have to take is 1 cup of white flour and a quarter cup of corn flour, half tablespoon diluted yeast. Mix both well and keep dough in a closed bowl for 1 hour. Make it in a round shape as you make a chapati, and once it is done you have to paste the surface with tomato ketchup. Then on top of that, grate the cheese and put on top of it. On top of that you can place different types of toppings. Here I have used tomatoes, green chili, onions. Once you place all these toppings, you have to grate the cheese again and put on top of it. Once it is done, you can straight away keep the pizza into the frying pan and cook it as like a chapati or paratha, and you can take it out once it is cooked well. Ensure that you are keeping the pan fully covered with a lid so that all the toppings and the cheese melt very well. Once it is cooked, you are good to enjoy the homemade pizza. Please subscribe and press bell icon for getting new videos as and when I upload it. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Thank you.